Hi friends, I'm Erin Mack and welcome to my channel. We're vlogging today because we're decorating for Halloween and also need to clean before we decorate. So come clean and decorate with me. I got a little late start to the day, so we're gonna eat some breakfast, get some coffee, and then I need to spray paint some stuff, clean, and then we'll get into the decorating. Unfortunately, I didn't have any Halloween mugs, but I do have this black one. That works. Coffee. So I had my first cup of coffee, put the makeup on, and now I'm on my second cup of coffee because I'm old and 2 glasses of wine make me hungover. So we have to have more caffeine. Okay, so I soaked some old bottles overnight to get the labels off, and we're gonna spray paint those. We're gonna spray paint the tray and let those dry and then come back and clean. Hooray. I love cleaning. No, I don't, not at all. Now we're gonna do the tedious job of taking all the labels off. Got the labels off, and now I'm gonna wash this so it doesn't have the sticky goo on it. Now we're gonna spray paint this tray from IKEA. I never use it anymore, so I'm gonna see if I can spray paint it black and use it for my Halloween decor. Oh, and I've decided not to spray paint the glass bottle. Now we're gonna spray paint. Okay, we've spray painted, we've cleaned the bottles. We're gonna take a break. I think I'm gonna put something Halloween on. I'm not a scary movie person, so it'll probably be Disney version Halloween. So we'll see. And then I'll clean. I think I'm just procrastinating cleaning, but I have to do it before I get to the fun stuff decorating. If you're wondering what that noise is, it's Sawyer. Okay, cleaning, check. Now on to decorating. Now that Halloween Town is done, I think I'm just gonna watch the second one. So the vibe that I'm going for is spooky, moody, gothic, dark, purpley, burgundies, gold, that kind of stuff. If you've seen my shopping video where I went to Target and the 99-cent store to get all of these things, you'll see what I'm talking about. This is what I have to work with. Insert clip here. So I have all of my stuff right here. Well, a lot of it. Now we just have to put it around the apartment. And so I got some black candles, so we're gonna put those around the apartment. Use the bottles that I fixed up earlier. So the main points that I'm gonna decorate are the table. I'm gonna do a centerpiece, and then the TV console. On the TV console, I'm gonna treat it like a, what's it called? Like a mantle. And then the table that we have on behind the couch, that's where I'm gonna put that black tray that I spray painted earlier and decorate it with some stuff. Let's do it. Okay, we're still going. We're on Halloween Town High, Halloween Town High, the third movie. I'm gonna make some bats to go to hang in this thing that's going on the mantle. And I downloaded a template from the internet, and I'm just gonna cut them out and then color them. Okay, so apparently this was a 2-day process. When I was ready to show off everything yesterday and light all the candles, my lighter decided to run out of fluid. So we had to go get a new one, and it worked. And we got some pumpkins. By we, I mean my husband did when he went to the grocery store, and it's done. So over here we have our mantle. Got some fake flowers and dead sticks. These are fake candles, so I don't have to worry about lighting those. I put some berry lights, webbing. Here are the bats that I made. And some books. Then over here, if you watched my 99-cent haul, my husband said this was tacky and then I should put it back. But doesn't it look cute? And then it has lights on and it looks spooky and ethereal and cute. Then I put some spider webs on bookshelf, and then I have a crow up there. Put in the comments what we should name him. Yeah, let's go look at all of the candles. And right here we have some black candles, candlestick. This is my husband's handiwork over the years. That's a wine bottle from our wedding that we use, and we use it for like ambiance when we want to have a romantic dinner. Ooh. Ooh. And so eventually throughout the season for Halloween, I want all of these to like melt on the glass, and I'll keep replacing the candles. This is the tray that we spray painted. And then we have more black candles. We use the dead flowers. This is actually a top that I don't use anymore, kind of sheer fabric thing. I mean, you can see it, so I just bunched it up to look like that. And these are the bottles that we took the labels off. This is a liqueur bottle and a balsamic vinegar bottle. I feel like they complete the mood. We did it. It's spooky Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe get some ideas for decorating for fall or Halloween. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.